Good afternoon. So I told earlier that is in this video we are going to find a maximum slope and deflection as asking in problem, that is calculate slope and deflection at the free end. So free end is nothing but a b, so yb equal to y maximum, also denoted is also called as y maximum, and next and finding a slope at b, that is ib. So for finding of slope and deflection, you can substitute C1 and C2 in equation number 2 and equation number 3. You can substitute these values C1 and C2 in equation number 2 and 3. So after substituting C1 value, you can get a deflection equation. Why? Because in that equation number 2 you can saw the dy by dx, ei dy by dx equal to minus 15 x square plus c1. So x square, so plus c1 is nothing but c1 equal to 135. So this is called a slope equation. So you can get after getting the slope equation, you can find a slope at any point of this beam, by using this equation, that is slope equation. And after substituting C1 and C2 value in equation number 3, you can get a deflection expression. Why? Because in this equation number 3 you can saw the deflection letter, that is y, that is 15 x cube by 3 plus C1. C1 is nothing but 135x plus C2. C2 is nothing but 220. So this equation called as a deflection equation. So by these two equations can help us for finding a slope and deflection at free end. So that is for finding a slope at x equal to 0 and dy by dx equal to ib or I maximum. So you can apply the known conditions of a cantilever beam. That known conditions for finding a slope at a free end, so you can apply the known conditions, that is x equal to 0, dy by dx equal to ib or I maximum in equation number. So this equation number 4 and this is equation number 5 in equation number 4. After substituting equation number 4, these values in equation number 4, you can get dy by dx equal to ib, ei. So that is ei, and dy by dx is nothing but I maximum equal to, so this is x equal to 0. So 0 into anything 0 plus 135 is the remaining value, plus 135. So I maximum equal to 135 by ei. So I maximum or ib equal to 135 by, what is the ei value? So ei value is 4000. So 4000 is the 4000. So here substituting W load, here W load in kilonewtons, and here distance is in meters. So force into distance. Here units, you can get units in kilonewton into meter. And next here units is in kilonewton into meter square. So here units is in kilonewton into meter square, and here units is in kilonewton into meter. Both units are cancelled. So why? Because meter square. So here x square. So x square is nothing but 4 meters. So 4 meter is nothing but meter into meter square. So that's why here you can get a meter square, kilometer. So here no units, and slope units is radians. 135 by 4000. So the answer is 0.033 radians. So radians is the units for slope. So after getting the slope, maximum slope, and you can apply the known conditions for finding a maximum deflection. That known conditions is same. X equal to 0 is the same like known conditions of 1, x equal to 0, and dy by dx equal to 0. Instead of dy by dx, you can substitute y equal to y maximum. Why? Because here you are going to find a y maximum. So y maximum or yb. So y equal to y maximum or yb. Okay, so you can apply these known conditions in equation number 5. So equation number 5, y equal to y maximum. So ei into y is nothing but y maximum equal to, so x equal to 0. So 0 into anything 0 and 0 into anything 0. So the remaining value is minus 220. So you can write here that is minus 220. So y maximum equal to minus 220 by ei. So ei is nothing but 220 by ei is nothing but 4000 kilonewton into meter square. But here units is, the load is in kilonewton. So kilonewton. So here in the equation number 5 you can saw the x cube. So x cube is nothing but 4 cube. So 4 cube meter. So meter cube. Kilonewton cancel and meter cube cancel. The remaining unit is meter. So the answer is 220 by 4000. 220 by 4000. So the answer is minus 0.055. The remaining units is meters. So you can get answer is in meters, and you can conversion these units from meter to mm. So for converting of these units from meter to mm, you can multiply with 10 to the power of 3. So after multiplying with 10 to the power of 3, you can get answer 55 mm. 55 mm. So 55 mm is the is in units is in mm, and 0.055 is in meters. So minus 55 mm. That is minus sign indicates deflection is downwards. Deflection is downwards. So this is the answer. Okay, and by using this method, that is Maclaurin's method, by using Maclaurin's method, you can find the maximum slope and deflection by this process. And this is the solution, and very very important problem for your upcoming exams. And tomorrow I will give assignments from 5th chapter and 6th chapter for 100 marks. And please download the Google Classroom app. I will post my code in your group. You can join class by using that code, and I will give assignments on tomorrow for 100 marks. You must do the assignment problems for 100 marks. So these marks can add adding your assessment marks, that is your final marks, that is for 20 marks. Okay, you should do the assignments. I will give the due date for the assignments also. Okay, first of all, you download the Google Classroom app and join into my class by using which I will post that code in group. Okay, thank you.